QuickLink StudioEdge gives you very flexible output options. You can bring in remote callers from platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Studio Call, and output to interfaces including SDI, HDMI, ST2110, and NDI to fit almost any production workflow. StudioEdge is NDI certified, which means it has been tested by the NDI team for interoperability, latency, image quality, and format handling, and is approved to work reliably inside NDI-based environments. In this video, we will walk through how to enable NDI outputs in StudioEdge. In StudioEdge, NDI sits alongside your primary outputs, such as SDI, HDMI, or ST2110, which of course depends on the StudioEdge model you are using. Simultaneously, you can decide whether that same channel is also output as an NDI source on your network. This is controlled by a simple switch in the channel settings. So, a single StudioEdge channel can feed your SDI, HDMI, or ST2110 infrastructure, while at the same time being available as NDI. Configuring your NDI output is easy and is done directly from the StudioEdge web interface. Once logged in, from the channel you want to configure, click Settings. This is where you can view your primary output for the channel and whether NDI is enabled. In the same settings view, scroll to the bottom of the settings, where you will find the NDI output option. This is a simple on or off switch. Toggle NDI output on. As soon as NDI output is enabled, StudioEdge publishes this channel as an NDI source on your network. The SDI, HDMI, or ST2110 output for that channel continues to operate exactly as before. You now have both your primary output and an NDI feed for the same caller. To confirm that NDI is active, open your preferred NDI-enabled application. You can also use Studio Monitor app available in NDI tools. In the list of available NDI sources, look for a source name that matches the StudioEdge device serial number. The NDI output will appear as mix 1, 2, 3, or 4, based on the StudioEdge channel you are outputting. We are outputting channel 2, therefore our caller will be available on mix 2. NDI is configured per channel in StudioEdge. Returning back to the StudioEdge web interface for every additional channel that should be available over NDI, follow the same process. Open the channel, go to Settings, and switch NDI output on. Each channel will continue to feed its pre-configured primary output and will also appear as an NDI source on your network. So that is how you enable NDI outputs in QuickLink StudioEdge and how these appear on your NDI network. For more step-by-step videos and detailed articles on StudioEdge, visit the QuickLink knowledge base.